Hey there, trivia lovers. Welcome back to Trivia Buzz, powered by Teacher Hive. I'm Katrina, and I'm so excited to bring you episode 6. If you're new here, welcome. Here's how we play. I'll ask you a trivia question. You get 10 seconds to think about your answer or shout it out to whoever's listening with you, and then I'll reveal the correct answer along with a mind-blowing bonus fact. Today's episode is all about weird science. We're diving into 20 of the strangest, most bizarre, and downright unbelievable facts about biology, physics, chemistry, and the natural world. These are the facts that make you question everything you thought you knew about science. From animals with superpowers to the human body's weird quirks, this episode is going to blow your mind. So put on your lab coat, grab your safety goggles, and let's see how much you know about the weirdest corners of science. Ready to feel the buzz? Let's go! Question 1. How many atoms are in the average human body? The answer? About 7 octillion. That's 7 followed by 27 zeros. The human body contains approximately 7 octillion atoms. Most are hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. You're literally made of stardust, since all of these atoms were forged in dying stars. Question number 2. What animal can survive being frozen solid and then thaw back to life? The answer? The wood frog. Wood frogs can survive being frozen solid during winter. Their hearts stop beating, they stop breathing, and up to 70% of their body water turns to ice. When spring arrives, they thaw out and hop away. Question number 3. What is the only planet in our solar system that rotates on its side? The answer? Uranus. Uranus rotates at a 98-degree angle, meaning it essentially rolls around the sun on its side. Scientists believe a massive collision early in its formation knocked it sideways. This causes extreme seasons. Each pole gets 42 years of continuous sunlight, then 42 years of darkness. Question number 4. What common liquid can exist in 3 states of matter at the same time? The answer? Water. Water can exist as solid ice, liquid water, and water vapor simultaneously at its triple point, a specific temperature and pressure. This unique property is rare in nature. Question number 5. What creature can survive in the vacuum of space? The answer? Tardigrades. Tardigrades, also called water bears, can survive the vacuum of space, extreme radiation, temperatures from near absolute zero to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and pressures 6 times greater than the deepest ocean. They enter a state called cryptobiosis, where they essentially are immortal. A bonus fact, I had the opportunity to send tardigrades up in a high-altitude balloon experiment with NASA, and the tardigrades survived. Question number 6. What animal has blue blood? The answer? There's actually 2 animals, the horseshoe crab and the octopus. Horseshoe crabs have blue blood because it contains copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. Their blood is also incredibly valuable for medical testing and can cost up to $15,000 per quart. The blood of an octopus also contains copper-based hemocyanin, making its blood blue too. Question number 7. What natural phenomenon can create temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? The answer? Lightning. A lightning bolt can reach temperatures of about 30,000 degrees Kelvin, approximately 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense heat causes the air around it to expand rapidly, creating thunder. Question number 8. What percentage of your body weight is bacteria? The answer? About 1 to 3%. Your body contains roughly 38 trillion bacteria cells, about the same number as your human cells. That's about 2 to 6 pounds of bacteria living in you and on you, mostly in your gut, helping digest food. Question number 9. What animal can regenerate its entire brain? The answer? The planarian flatworm. Planarian flatworms can regenerate their entire body from just a tiny fragment, including their brain. Cut one into pieces, and each piece grows into a complete new worm. Scientists study them to understand regeneration. Question number 10. How much water is produced when you burn 1 gallon of gasoline? The answer? About 1 gallon. When gasoline burns, it combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. 1 gallon of gasoline produces approximately 1 gallon of water as exhaust. That's why you see water dripping from car tailpipes on cold days. Question number 11. What color is polar bear skin under their white fur? The answer? Black. Polar bear skin is actually black. Their fur isn't white either. Each hair is hollow and transparent, appearing white because it reflects light. The black skin helps them absorb the heat from the sun more efficiently in the Arctic cold. Question number 12. How many miles of blood vessels are in the human body? The answer? About 60,000 miles. That's 100,000 kilometers. If you laid out all the blood vessels in your body end to end, they would stretch about 60,000 miles, more than twice around the Earth. Most of these are tiny capillaries. Question number 13. What animal has the highest blood pressure? The answer? The giraffe. Giraffes need extremely high blood pressure, about 280 over 180, roughly double that of humans, to pump blood up their long necks to their brains. They have specially adapted cardiovascular systems with thick artery walls and tight skin on their legs that act like compression stockings. Question number 14. What creature has 3 hearts? The answer? The octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills and 1 pumps blood to the rest of the body. Fun fact, when an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body stops beating, which is why they prefer crawling. Question number 15. What element can spontaneously catch fire when exposed to air? The answer? Phosphorus. White phosphorus is so reactive that it spontaneously ignites when exposed to oxygen at temperatures above 86 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 30 degrees Celsius. It must be stored underwater. Red phosphorus is much more stable and is used in match heads. Question number 16. How many species of bacteria live in your belly button? The answer? About 67 different species on average. Research found an average of 67 species of bacteria living in a person's belly button, with some people having up to 107 different species. Your belly button is essentially a miniature rainforest ecosystem. One person even had bacteria previously found only in Japanese soil. Question 17. What animal has a brain in its arms? The answer? The octopus. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are in its arms, not in its central brain. Each arm can think independently, taste what it touches, and even continue moving for a while after being severed. It's like having 8 semi-independent brains. Octopus are really fascinating. Question 18. What is the only rock that humans regularly eat? The answer? Salt. Table salt is actually a mineral called halite, a crystalline rock. It's the only rock humans consume regularly. Ancient civilizations valued salt so highly that Roman soldiers were sometimes paid in salt, which is where the word salary actually comes from. Question number 19. What color is your blood inside your body? The answer? Dark red. Blood is always red, never blue. Deoxygenated blood appears darker red. The myth of blue blood comes from veins looking blue through your skin, but that's only an optical illusion caused by how light penetrates and reflects through the skin tissue. And question number 20. How many times does a hummingbird's heart beat per minute? The answer? About 1,200 times per minute. A hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,200 times per minute during flight. That's 20 beats per second. For comparison, a human heart beats about 60 to 100 times per minute. Their metabolism is so fast that they must eat every 10 to 15 minutes to survive. And that's a wrap on episode 6 of Trivia Buzz, the Weird Science Edition. How'd you do? Did any of those facts completely blow your mind? From frozen frogs to 3-hearted octopuses, from blue blood to bacteria that make up your body weight, science is sometimes stranger than fiction. These are the kinds of facts that make you see the world differently. If you enjoy diving into the weird side of science today, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly episodes. We release new trivia challenges every week covering everything from sports to pop culture, from history to movies. Give us a thumbs up if you're watching on YouTube and drop a comment. Which science fact shocked you the most? Let us know. And if you know a science nerd who would love these bizarre facts, share this episode with them. All right, science lovers, until next time, keep that brain buzzing and keep questioning the world around you. This has been Trivia Buzz, powered by Teacher Hive. I'm Katrina. Thanks for playing along, and I'll catch you next week for another trivia challenge.